Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel. Glam Girl. Benifets of rice for Korean glass skin. Oil control. It helps in controlling excess oil production, reducing the risk of breakouts. Anti-inflammatory. The anti-inflammatory properties of rice help soothe and reduce skin irritation. Brightening. Rice water is known for brightening the skin, promoting a radiant complexion. Moisturizing. Rice-based products provide effective moisture, keeping the skin hydrated. Even skin tone. Regular use of rice can contribute to a more even skin tone. Reduced inflammation. It can help minimize redness and inflammation on the skin. Nourishing. The vitamins and minerals in rice nourish the skin, enhancing its health. Glowing skin. Rice can contribute to a natural and healthy glow. Exfoliation. Rice powder can act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells. Softening. Rice can soften the skin, making it smoother to the touch. Sun damage protection. Antioxidants in rice may provide some protection against sun damage. Anti-aging. The properties of rice can contribute to slowing down the aging process of the skin. Tightening. Rice water has a toning effect, potentially tightening the skin. Promotes healing. It may aid in the healing of blemishes and skin imperfections. Vitamins and minerals. Rice contains vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for skin health, contributing to a nourished and revitalized complexion. Moisturizing. Rice-based products can provide moisture to the skin, helping to maintain hydration and a plump appearance. Please subscribe.